What's going on, boys? So tonight I'm driving to Alabama, so we're gonna see what kind of mileage we can get out of the Ram 1500 EcoDiesel. Done this drive multiple times before, not specifically to Tuscaloosa, but so yeah, should be interesting, should be fun. I'm expecting high 27 maybe, hopefully. So yeah.
So short. Nice. Where'd you go? That's literally not what I asked for at all. Yeah, it's like hitting back. No, so I got up at 4:30 and I was like,
It's about 25.7 miles per gallon, which is exactly what the truck is saying. So pretty accurate, pretty impressive too. So yeah, there we go.
But shit.
I'm just hoping that whatever I'm doing in the books is hopefully gonna help me out.
where is it? Where were you gonna say?
So we've been driving since the first fill up, like topped off at Buc-ee's in Lowing, and we've been doing about 70 miles an hour for the most part. The lowest I saw the miles per gallon go was about 22. About 22. That was also because we were running about 80 miles an hour because that was the speed limit. But once you get closer to Houston, the construction zones and the speed limits start dropping. So therefore we get closer to 60 miles an hour, closer to 70-ish area, 60 to 75-ish, and that's when the mileage really exceeds. So right now we're cruising at 25.8 with 257 miles on the trip meter and a range of 440. So doing pretty good. There's Bob with no lights.
Your John, the video guy, I think he's actually really fucking good at being like, well, how about this? So like, if you had one more person that has kind of this a similar vibe and style, and even like a person who fucking just knows YouTube, like I think you could push your shit, and even if it's 5% in a direction that maybe you wouldn't have.
Cones. We've gone 411 miles since our fill up at Buc-ee's in Luling. We are currently in Baton Rouge on the I-12 East. And right now, we're doing a little worse than I expected. I expected like 27. We're getting about 20. We're getting 25.7 on the trip meter, and from when we left the house, it's 25.6. So not too bad. I aired up the tires after about 200 miles. I just wanted them to be a little bit higher, closer to 40 psi. I showed you guys a few times, but the lower speed limit has been helping a lot. But every now and then I get a bad stretch where I'm not getting good mileage, but it is what it is. Alright, so I just filled up, and now I'm going to do a quick math test to see what it is. We got 651.1, and I put in 25.3. It's about 25.7 miles per gallon, which is exactly what the truck is saying. So, pretty accurate. Pretty impressive, too. So, yeah, there we go.